Check this out. That's nuts, dude. So today's project, we're going to be installing a Honda Fit shifter into the AZ1. Now, the trickiest part doing this whole thing is making a little adapter plate. See this? The Honda Fit shifter is actually pretty close to the AZ1. This hybrid racing one's fully adjustable, super cool. I mean, if you guys have a Honda Fit or other Hondas like a K-Series powered car, they have a bunch of shifters. But yeah, I'm lucky enough that this fits the AZ1. Now, one of our buddies in Hawaii also has AZ1's been helping me kind of prototype this. So I made different versions of this plate, sent it to him. He made changes, and this is the actual final piece. So it's got this really cool wrinkle coating, powder coated, and it matches all of the pieces that I've been making for this car. So like this right here, the diffuser bracket, the splitter bracket, and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you how to install this, even though you might not have an AZ1, because this is one of those great examples of if you can't buy it, make it. And yeah, it is a challenging part, but it's super fun to make. So we're going to be removing this OEM unit right here and then replacing it. Hopefully I can keep this little cover, but if not, it's no biggie. But yeah, feel this. It's a little sloppy, but I mean, this car is like 25 years old, so let's go. So here's the OEM shifter assembly right here, and then here's the one that we made. As you can see, the shifter is actually pretty dang close to the Fit one. See this arm right here, that arm right there, and then in the middle, there's that little arm. And on this one, same thing. I'm not sure if you guys can see that over there. So pretty dang close, right? I think it'll work. Let's go throw it in. Check this out. That's nuts, dude. That is so fast. Again, let me go slower, slower, slower. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, neutral, reverse. This is my Honda Fit shifter from Hybrid Racing, and then I made a little adapter plate right here. So big thanks to Little Zam from Hawaii for helping me kind of put this together. I made my own base, but he was actually the guy that inspired me to do something like this because he modified his own OEM base to adapt this shifter on here, which is crazy because it fits. And if you guys are curious if this works on here, yes, I've already trimmed this so you can pop it all on there. So the cool part about the shifter is the mechanisms, right? So you can see that when you have the cover on. I'm not trying to cover it with a boot or anything because that's just a style. And then I got a cool shift knob right here from Monster Sport out in Japan. But dude, it is so short, it's not even funny. Let me show you from the top, all right? So first gear, second, third, fourth, fifth, reverse. That's crazy. And then obviously this is adjustable, right? So I got it to the highest point right now. So you loosen up this bolt right here or this bolt on this side, and you can twist this, pivot it. See this, right? You can pivot it so it's closer to you, and you can go lower, you can go higher, depending on your reach. But I mean, I can touch the dash. All right, so this is a tiny car. This makes such a big difference though, because the OEM shifter for these AZ1s, they're so sloppy, it's not even funny. So again, check this out. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then reverse. That's so sick.